Uncertainty and change are now a constant, while technology innovation continues to speed up. In this environment, leaders need to accept new realities, breaking with some of the structures that once brought great success. Stakeholders, particularly employees, will seek authenticity and purpose from those leading them, and cross-sector collaboration will create cohesion in an increasingly complex health technology landscape. Meeting these demands relies on the skill sets of those in leadership positions. Here, Mike Drew and Chris Hamilton from Odgers Berndtson give us the 3 top skills for health tech leaders. Up first is intellectual curiosity. Generally speaking, leaders have never liked being in a situation where they don't understand something. But with the world changing at an unprecedented rate, new technologies disrupting industries year on year, and black swan events occurring every 6 months, leaders can no longer ignore what they don't know. This means admitting when they don't have the answer, but having the intellectual curiosity to want to find out. It demands a degree of humility as well as the courage to challenge currently comfortable ways of thinking. In a world that looks different every 6 months, questioning commonly held assumptions about ways of working and achieving strategic goals is invaluable. Intellectual curiosity also predisposes a leader to greater risk-taking. The courage to embrace what they don't know invariably involves taking a risk. A skill that has always been part of a CEO's arsenal, the level of risk leaders now need to take when making decisions has increased. This stems from the pace of industry disruption and innovation. Leaders who simply enjoy the business models of today risk falling behind and being blindsided by competitors. For those in health tech, the challenge is harder. Next up, you need to be motivational. Health tech and healthcare more broadly are unique in that they attract people who are mission driven. People who work in the sector do so for a clear reason, either to create better outcomes for patients or to develop technology. Great health tech leaders are able to harness this sense of mission and nurture that drive to build competitive organizations, products and services. They themselves are purpose-led and make improving patient care the primary goal rather than simply creating new technology. Most health tech leaders who are highly motivational tend to align the organizational goals with a clear sense of purpose and foster a culture that supports and encourages. Importantly, motivating employees by aligning their work within the company's sense of purpose can help attract and retain top talent, as well as attract customers who are looking for mission-driven healthcare solutions. Overall, tapping into the employee's sense of purpose can be a powerful driver of success in the health tech sector and leads to companies that are both competitive and have a positive impact on the world. Finally, you need to be collaborative. The health tech sector's relationship with public healthcare is only becoming deeper. Public health bodies increasingly rely on technology investment, not only to provide better patient care, but to alleviate pressures on services. In the UK alone, public health spending on health tech is expected to grow by 6% annually over the next 2 years. Additionally, many public health systems are now also investing in and working with health tech companies on emerging technologies such as gene editing, gene therapies, personalised medicine and regenerative medicine. Working with public health organisations and other key stakeholders, health tech leaders can ensure their products and services align with the needs and priorities of the healthcare system. This leads to more effective use of resources as well as greater adoption and impact of the technology. All of this now occurs in an increasingly regulated environment with complex ethical considerations. Health tech leaders must be able to collaborate effectively with experts to ensure their products and services comply with all the relevant laws and regulations. Where great health tech leaders come into their own is an understanding of how far they can push innovation while meeting legal requirements. Underpinning this is the ability to collaborate. If you like this video and are looking for the best place to get all your health tech news, be sure to visit htworld.co.uk.